My smart fridge is trying to kill me. It started subtly. Wrong milk temperature. Expired dates mysteriously vanished. Then the ice dispenser started blasting freezing air directly at my face. Last night it played a death metal song at 3 a.m. This morning, the yogurt was oddly warm. I swear the butter's been replaced with something suspiciously greasy. Is it sentient? Is it malfunctioning? Or is it just really hungry? I'm ordering pizza from my phone, not the fridge's suspiciously enticing app. Run, die. Douyin, tai.